back to my channel, guys. Today I'll be showing you how I make egg balls. And guys, this is a street food in Guyana. Alright, so stay with me in the kitchen. I am going to be showing you how to do some simple, easy cooking methods. Alright, I have some cassava. Most of you living out of the Caribbean will call it yucca. I peel them and boil them with water and salt. Remove them from the boiling water once they're soft and nice. Immediately while they're steaming hot, add some butter. Use your potato masher or any kind of tool that you have that is going to mash the cassava smooth and nice. With this particular cassava, as you work, you're going to see more strings just like this, and you're going to end up with a nice textured cassava. Don't be afraid as you keep going. You're going to be pulling out all those strings. You don't want to have those strings into your egg balls. No, guys. Remove them well. Once they're all done, I'm going to give them a nice little mash. No flour, no butter, no oil. We've had enough butter in there. As we keep working, you're going to be seeing some more strings up in there. Just make sure that you remove them, guys. Alright, so what I'm going to do is time to season our cassava. I'm going to be adding some salt. And make sure you add salt to taste. Some freshly grated garlic. We are looking for freshness in here, alright? I also have some of my homemade pepper sauce, and this is optional. I love a little bit of spice. You can also add some fine thyme. You can add some chive up into here. Do what you want with yours. Alright? Then I'm going to knead it in. It's still warm and nice. And I'm going to be finding more strings as I keep going. Knead it in well. Make sure that the cassava is smooth and nice. As you can see at this time, look at it. And if you notice a little red dot on my gloves there, it is my little pinky finger that has my my nail that it went right through. Don't panic. I'm just letting you know. I did boil some eggs and I peeled them. Now it's time for me to wrap the egg in our mashed cassava. At this time you can see how soft and smooth our cassava is. Just mash it into your hands like this. Flatten it like this. Then place an egg right into the center and fold it right over like this. Squeeze the ends, making sure that it's all covered, sealed and nice. And you can make a round ball at this time, or you can also do the shape of an egg. This is so much fun to work with, guys. Let me do another one for you. And as you can see, more strings. So as you work, you're going to be encountering more strings. Just pull them out, alright? Flatten it again in the palm of your hand. Place another egg and wrap that nice, smooth, velvety, crushed cassava right over the egg and seal it. At this time, I did do all the eggs, but I had some cassava left and I made some very small cassava balls. This is one of our Guyana street food, guys, especially on a Saturday evening. We have cassava ball, pulori, chicken foot, whatever it is just so, oh my God, satisfying. Once it's all done, this is what our cassava balls looks like, the very small ones. Now into a plate, I'm going to add some flour, and I'm also going to be adding some turmeric powder. The turmeric powder is going to help to give my egg balls and cassava ball that beautiful golden color. Mix it well, then coat the egg balls with the flour mixture. And you want to make sure that you dust most of the flour off from the egg balls. Just like this. You can also just drop it into the plate and just roll it over. At this time I have a pan with oil, and I have a lot of oil over medium heat, and you want the oil to be extremely hot, all right? You don't want no lukewarm oil. If not, you're not going to get the right stuff that you're looking for. Make sure the oil is boiling hot, guys. And when you're doing this, use a big pot, because that oil is going to be boiling right over. And you do not want to overcrowd the pan. I did add 4 egg balls into here along with 2 cassava balls. And as you can see, it's all submerged in the oil. Mistakes are liable to be made, guys. In the oil, yes. Just turn them over. And it doesn't take long to cook because the cassava is already cooked. The eggs are already cooked. And all we're looking for here now is just to get a nice golden color. Alright, so we are going to remove the egg ball from the oil and place them into a container with paper towel so it can absorb the oil from the egg balls. It is this simple and easy, guys. Once you remove them and you're going to place the rest in there to fry, you want this oil to be extremely hot again. Alright, so leave it for another minute or 2 before you continue frying. And there you have it. They're all done. Look at how beautiful they are, served with some mango chutney or mango sour as we would call it in Guyana. Yes, so I'll bring that video to you another time, and these are my beautiful egg balls and cassava balls. So give it a try, leave me a beautiful comment, and thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and share, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.